Okay, whether screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. My okay. So up to the last lecture, we have seen the part of the photogrammetry part we have seen. The new point in the unit number 4, that is remote sensing, is the introduction to drone technology. So now everybody or everyone actually, I think, familiar with the drone, but similar to our aerial photogrammetry, the drone technology is there. So if by using the aerial photogrammetry, it means what we are doing, we are taking the photographs from the aircraft, and from that photograph we are, my voice is audible properly or something disturbing?
Yes, sir. Audible.
So Swapnil is saying network problem from my side or from him side. Swapnil,
Okay, anyway, uh, so by using aerial photogrammetry, we are taking the photographs from the aircraft and we are analyzing or surveying whatever we required that we are studying. But the similar to aerial photogrammetry, the drone technology is there. So for this year only, as your syllabus is changes, and for you only, this drone technology is introduced in your syllabus. Actually, last year introduced, so only introduction of drone technology, that point is in our syllabus. So we'll see the introduction here. No more uh, study we have to, but only how, what is drone, how to use the drone technology, what are the applications. That part we will see here in the introduction to drone technology. Okay. So now here, what is drone? So if you see the picture, everybody knows, or you are interested in watching the cricket, you have seen the above the grounds, the drones are there which are moving. Who is this guy? You have given here name. Huh? Who has given here name to your account? Please edit your roll numbers and names. If I will remove to you, now you have put one of students, now put into chat box, hi. Who is this? Your, see your name, what you have given your name. Once I will remove you, you are unable to join to my class. Please edit your name. Okay. So what is drone? Actually, you can read here. The drone, formerly we known as unmanned aerial vehicle. Aerial vehicle. Unmanned means here no any person is operating for this vehicle. That is the unmanned aerial vehicle. Because aerial, why we are calling, because it is moving in the air. And vehicle, why we are calling, because this is one of the vehicle uh, which developed or invented by man, and this worked or own without man, this is working. So unmanned aerial vehicle. So drone is nothing but unmanned aerial vehicle. Then the drone is an aircraft without a human pilot. As I told, for the aircraft the pilot is required, but for the drone here, without a human pilot it is moving. And it is moving as a flying robot, because it is a flying robot. We have seen the robot in our, it means in any movies or anywhere, the robot is working on. Similarly, this is the one of the robot, but it is a flying. Then this unmanned aerial vehicle were simple remotely piloted aircraft. It means the working is on remote only. But uh, autonomous control is a increasingly being employed. It means many more employment is reduced due to this aerial unmanned aerial vehicle, that is the drone. Then flight is controlled either autonomously by the onboard computer or by the remote control. Means this vehicle or this drone is operated by a remote control or by computer system. Okay, so I think we are in 21st century, first century. So everybody knows this drone, but lot of information maybe you don't know, but you all are familiar with the drone. So here we are learning the why, what is drone and why the drones are required in our civil engineering field. Okay, so now different names given to these drones are uh, unmanned aerial vehicle, that is UAV. Then uninhabited aerial vehicle, that is again UAE. Then unmanned aerial system, that is UAS. Then remotely piloted vehicle. Remotely piloted vehicle means here pilot is not there, but this working on the remote control only. Then remotely piloted aircraft. These are the different names given to this drone. Then remotely piloted aircraft system, then remotely operated air vehicle, and micro aerial vehicle. So these are the names given to this drone. And this drone is we are using for the videos shooting or taking the photographs from this drone. So if you see the cricket matches or IPL, you can see the drone cameras moving around the grounds, and the photographs or videos taken from the around the ground. So if you can see this cricket, you will be better understood, or how working the drones, that you will understand. Okay, so these are the different names we have given to the drones. Now next, different types of drones. You can see here types of drones. So here fixed wing drones and rotary wing drones. So I think many more students have seen this. Some of the vehicles or drones have fixed wings, and some of are the movable. So here three types of basic types of the drones are there. Micro UAV means micro unmanned aerial vehicles. Then biomimetic unmanned aerial vehicle, and blimps or balloons. These are the three basic different types of the drones. So you can see here some of the images of these drones. But in this, some of the drones having fixed wings and some of the drones having rotary wings are there. Okay, so these are the three types: micro UAV, biomimetic UAV, and glimpse or balloons. These are the three types. Then uh, scope of drone. Where the scope of drone? So here the category of this unmanned aerial system is micro, mini, small, medium, short, medium, and large. So here maximum takeoff weight. See, the speed and the lifting capacity of this drone vehicle is depend upon his weight. So the maximum takeoff weight is zero point 0.1 kg. 0.1 kg means 100 gram, only the 100 gram weight of drone. Then range category is the close range, म्हणजे जवळच आपण त्याला वापरू शकतो. आर यू गेटिंग? 0.1 kg जर असेल म्हणजेच 100 ग्रॅमचं जर तुमचं जर ड्रोन असेल तर ते कुठं जवळच्या रेंजमध्येच आपण ते खूप हाईटला जाऊ शकत नाही ते. देन मिनी रेंज मीन्स वेट इज लेस दॅन 10 kg अँड मोर दॅन 100 ग्रॅम. देन अगेन क्लोज रेंज मध्ये आपण ते वापरू शकतो. देन स्मॉल 10 to 150 kg. Then again close range, medium size 150 to 500 short range, then 500 to 2000 kg medium to medium range, and weight is greater than 2000 long range. Means as per the weight of the drone we can use the drone for the our civil engineering survey purpose at the these are the ranges: close range, short range, or medium range, or लॉंग रेंज. म्हणजे आपलं जसं एअरक्राफ्ट खूप हाईटला जाऊ शकतं पण त्याची जर वेट खूप कमी असेल, 1 आणि 2 आणि 10 किलो वेट असेल तर ते हाईटला जाऊ शकत नाही. आपणही जर आपल्या बऱ्याचशा पृथ्वीपासून लांब गेलो तर आपल्याला सुद्धा स्वतःवरती कंट्रोल राहू शकत नाही. तर त्याच्यामध्ये ड्रोन कॅमेरा तर काहीच करू शकत नाही किंवा त्याचं कंट्रोलिंग पण तेवढं होऊ शकणार नाही. सो दिस इज दी स्कोप. इट मीन्स फॉर what weight to what range we have to use this drone, that here we can see. Then most important part is use of drones. For what purpose we can use the drones? So here written nowadays new laws and valuable commercial applications could spark a revolution in the civilian world. So simply you can see here generally the drones are using for the military use and civilian use. Generally the drones are using for the military use and civilian use. So military use means in our military for the many purposes we are using the drones. If we send the man through the aircraft or helicopter for the any मिशन, जर आपण एखाद्या मिशन मध्ये जर आपल्या मिलिटरीमध्ये एखाद्या मिशनसाठी आपण एखाद्या हेलिकॉप्टर किंवा एअरक्राफ्ट मध्ये जर मॅन पाठवला तर आपल्याला त्याचा धोका होऊ शकतो. व्हेकल जाऊ शकतं, समजा बाहेरचा कोणतर टेररिस्ट आहे तो अटॅक करू शकतो पण आपला मॅन जाऊ शकतो. बट दिस ड्रोन इज दी अनमॅन व्हेकल. सो हिअर वी कॅन सेंड दी आवर ड्रोन by only operating through the remote control operating. So I think, what is that movie you have seen, the drone camera? Anyone can tell me? Yes, correct. Uri, right. In Uri movie we have seen that drone is working and our team is using that drone camera in our military use. So like that we can use the drone camera. Then a civilian purpose. So nowadays you can see, I think लग्नामध्ये आपण बऱ्याच ठिकाणी असे ड्रोन कॅमेरा आता बघितलेले आहेत. आपला काही लग्नाचं वगैरे काहीतरी कार्यक्रम चालू असतो, शूटिंग येणं जाणं सगळं चालू असतं, त्या केसमध्ये ड्रोन कॅमेरे वरतून मूव्ह होत असतात. I think many of students here have seen. So some of the civilian purpose we are using such drone cameras. So many more advanced applications are there, but as I give one example that we have seen, आपण आतापर्यंत पाहिलेलं एखादं जवळचं एक्झाम्पल म्हणजे ते एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत. ओके, So for that purpose we are using the drone also. So similar to aerial photogrammetry, we can use the drone for photography purpose and for study purpose same. So civilian use of drones. So here again, actually this is the drones we have used earlier. The Federal Activation Administration 30,000 drones could be over US strikes by 2020 they have used. Then $64.4 billion funding bills passed in 2012 required to agents the fully, that is the history of these drones for the civil use. Here we have, we can see. Then again for the civil use, Lockheed Martins, you can see here. Actually this is the history they have used for the civilian purpose. This is the newly added syllabus is there, so I am trying to give best from my side. Okay, now features of the drone. What are the features? So maybe this is very important question, maybe examination point of view examination. Features of the drone. So the drone is the unmanned remote control. Are you getting, everyone familiar with this name, that is unmanned remote control. Then second feature is the varieties of sizes, shapes and functions, portable and convenient. So second feature of the drone is the, so many varieties of sizes drones are available. Size and shape of the drones are available for different purposes. Then functions, so from various functions are there for which purpose or we are using drone, depends upon that the functions are uh, different. Then third feature is the computer control. So we are controlling by through the computer. So in the Uri movie we have seen it is computer control, or in the our civilian use we are using by the remote control. Okay, so whatever I am telling, please म्हणजे आपण काय म्हणू शकतो त्याला, इमॅजिन करा ते, की मी जे काय सांगतोय एक्झाम्पल देतोय त्याच्यातून तुम्ही इमॅजिन करा की तिथं आपण कशा पद्धतीनं वर्किंग होत होतं. So in Uri movie, that is the computer control, and generally in civil use we are using that is on the remote control. So here computer control system is there. Then economic feasible. So as compared to helicopter, as compared to aircraft, it is economic. Are you getting? If you compare it to the other vehicles like a drone, म्हणजे जे एअर मध्ये मूव्ह होतात असे कोणते अदर व्हेकल्स आहेत, तर हेलिकॉप्टर आहे, एअरक्राफ्ट आहे. सो ॲज कम्पेअर टू दिस हेलिकॉप्टर ऑर एअरक्राफ्ट, इट इज व्हेरी इकॉनॉमिक. So very cheap and very economic. Then efficient. So it is, we can use for very efficient purpose. So purpose is very clear for the using the drones. So we can use easily, and we can whatever we want the data that we can data we can find, or we can take easily with the help of this drone survey. Okay, because only one man is operating the through remote control or computer. So त्या माणसाला जे सांगितलेलं आहे त्या पर्सनला की आपल्याला काय ऍक्च्युअल करायचं आहे त्याचा यूज करून, सो फॉर द इफिशियंट पर्पज वी कॅन यूज दिस. Okay, so no disturbance is there. So these are the some features for what purpose or what features the drone have, that here we can see. Unmanned remote control is there. Then varieties of sizes, shapes and functions depends upon the drones are available. Then computer control system is there. Then economic feasibility and efficient use of this drone is there. So these are the some features are there. Then here computer do things more precisely and faster than the humans. As we know, computers are the very the precise instrument is there. It can be work faster than the humans. So computer do things more precisely faster than the human, but we need human to deal with the uncertainty. It is the combination of interest in me. The instruments are working faster than the human, but who has developed this instrument or invented this by the human only. So for the working of these drones or any vehicles, the man is required behind this. What we have to want, जे आपल्याला पाहिजे त्याच्यासाठी पाठीमागे हा माणूस गरजेचाच आहे. तो मे बी रिमोट कंट्रोल वापरत असेल किंवा कॉम्प्युटर सिस्टीम वापरत असेल, पण त्याने ते एक सिस्टमॅटिक ते करून ठेवलेलं आहे की ते इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आहे किंवा ते व्हेकल आहे ते ऑटोमॅटिक वर्क करेल. सो बिहाइंड दिस द पर्सन इज रिक्वायर्ड. देन peoples are running around or relaying ignition and accident happens. So I want make to go more smoothly. So here, to avoid the accidents many more, so if we use the or decrease the use of people by providing the instrument without human, then the accidental काय म्हणतो आपण, जसं की म्हणतो आपण चंद्रावरती माणूस गेला, पण विदाउट पर्सन सुद्धा आपण एखादं व्हेकल मूनवरती पाठवू शकतो फॉर दी स्टडी पर्पज. सो कारण का तिथून आपण परत येईल का नाही ह्याची गॅरंटी आपल्याला कमी असते. सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज वी कॅन यूज सच technologies that drone or aircraft or moons or helicopters for study purpose, and we can uh, what we are saying, we can use efficient use of this technology. Then okay, so how does it impacts the society? सोसायटी वरती आपल्या या टेक्नॉलॉजीचा इम्पॅक्ट कसा होऊ शकतो? सो ड्रोन टेक्नॉलॉजी प्रोव्हाइड्स अस विथ अ टोटली डिफरंट लाईफस्टाईल इन अ डिफरंट ॲस्पेक्ट. ॲग्रिकल्चरल, goods delivery, photography, medical services. See here now this is very important. So the drone technology provides a different lifestyle in a different aspect. So what are the different aspect? The agricultural aspect, goods delivery, photography, medical services, etc. In that area we can work. So what are the benefits? The benefits are the existing work. So any existing work is happening, that existing work we can use or see by this drone technology. Then work people were not able to do before. असं एखादं प्लेस असेल की जिथं पीपल वर्कच करू शकले नाही एखाद्या प्लेसला, इन दॅट प्लेस दिस ड्रोन कॅन वर्क. आर यू गेटिंग मी काय सांगतोय बघा? एखादं एक्झिस्टिंग वर्क असेल की जे आपल्याला पाहायचं असेल, at that location our drone can go. Then work people here were not able to do. ज्या ठिकाणी एखादा व्यक्ती किंवा माणूस किंवा आपण कामच करू शकत नाही असा एरिया की जिथं ड्रोन काम करू शकतो. सो दीज आर दी बेनिफिट्स. देन अगेन हियर dirty work, dangerous work. See, any dirty work or dangerous work, it means there at any place where we cannot move. आपण अशा ठिकाणी जाऊ शकत नाही. एखादा दलदलीचा एरिया आहे की जिथं आपण जाऊ शकत नाही, एखादं व्हेकल ग्राउंड वरून घेऊन जाऊ शकत नाही. at that place if we have to survey of that land, then our drone can work there. So that is the dirty work or dangerous work, there we can move. किंवा जिथं आपल्याला धोका असू शकतो मॅनला, त्या केसमध्ये आपण अनमॅन व्हेकल तिथं पाठवू शकतो. देन एक्सपेन्सिव्ह ह्युमन रिसोर्सेस. some of the expensive human resources are there at that location. We can send the our suppose आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल एनी डिझास्टर इज कमिंग, काहीतरी डिझास्टर आले त्या ठिकाणी आपण जाऊ शकत नाही, बट विथ द हेल्प ऑफ ड्रोन वी कॅन अटॅच द कॅमेरा अँड दॅट ड्रोन कॅन मूव्ह ऑन दिस डिझास्टर एरिया फ्रॉम द एअर, म्हणजे एखाद्या फ्लड आला असेल, पूर आला असेल किंवा एखादा भूकंप झाला असेल आणि आपण त्या ठिकाणी लगेच जाऊन बघू शकत नसेल, त्या ठिकाणी आपण काय करू शकतो, ड्रोन वी कॅन attach the camera to the drone, and with the help of this drone we can collect the data whatever we required. Then more efficient, third here in the red, more efficient. So as I told, this is the more efficient technology or more efficient work we can get, जे आपल्याला पाहिजे ते एक्झॅक्टली इथून मिळू शकतं. आणि ऍप्लिकेशन्स, सो for so many applications we can use this drone technology. So these are the benefits. So possible problems, what are the possible problems occurs by using the drone technology? So human rights, then regulation and policy. Human rights, तुम्हाला अधिकार आहे म्हणून तुम्ही कुठेही कुणाच्या घरातही ड्रोन पाठवू शकता का? नाही. तुम्ही ड्रोन वापरताय, तुम्ही तयार केलाय म्हणून काही त्याचे राईट्स आहेत. दॅट राईट्स वी हॅव टू फॉलो. किंवा गव्हर्नमेंटची प्रॉपर्टी एखादी त्या ठिकाणी ड्रोन तुम्ही वापरून त्याचा काहीतरी स्टडी करायला लागलाय, दॅट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, थ्रू दी गव्हर्नमेंट, विथ द हेल्प ऑफ गव्हर्नमेंट किंवा तुमचं प्रायव्हेट स्वतःचं काय असेल त्या केसमध्ये तुम्ही त्याचा स्टडी. सो पॉसिबल प्रॉब्लेम्स, व्हॉट प्रॉब्लेम्स आकर? ह्युमन राईट्स. इट मीन्स तुम्ही कुणाच्याही प्रॉपर्टीमध्ये काही कसाही ड्रोन पाठवून आपण ते पाहू शकत नाही एखाद्याची प्रॉपर्टी. देन रेग्युलेशन अँड पॉलिसी. सो our acts are there as per government acts. We can we can follow the regulations or policy for using this drone technology. Then security risk, here security risk is very important. This is the one of the problem we can face by using the drone technology. Then invasion of privacy. Invasion of privacy, what is invasion? I also don't know what is invasion. Then accident. Sir, there may be a chance of accident while using when you are using the drone technology. There may be chance of accidents if you fail to use the remote control or computer operated system. There may be chance of your drone collapse or some other failure. So accidents of drone is again very important. And then international standard or terrestrial. So we have to keep study, or we have to think in mind terrestrial area or the standard international standards that we have to follow during the using of this drone technology. So these are the some possible problems may be coming. Okay. Invasion means akraman. Thank you, Snehal. Invasion is nothing but the akraman. Okay, so that policy privacy